Children, today I will teach you another figure of speech. Repetition. It is a figure of speech in which one or more words are repeated in the same sentence. That is, Son, it gives me a great joy. Why this? Why that? Why then? Why now? Why not? Why by and by? In the above sentences, words like son and why are repeated. So it is the example of repetition. Now let's try to find some more examples of repetition from the poem. Why pop guns should go pop? Why stars should and winds should blow? Very good. Children, see this web diagram and try to complete it. The little boy wants to know. Why? Wood swim. Why? Starshine. Why? Lead and marble sink. Why? Winds blow. Why? We eat and drink. Complete the blanks with the help of the poem. Words from the poem related to environment. Marble. Wood. Wind. Sky. Clouds. Stars. Words from the poem related to animals, fruits, insects, flies, spiders, bees, apple, fish. Very good. Let's play word chain game. Eat. Tiger. Run. Nose. Easy. Sky. Yak. Kite. Ears. Sun. Cloud. Duck. Kettle. Ice. Sugar. Wind. Doll. Lamp. Pot. Star. Rain. Nail. Leaf. Why? Yarn. Net. Temple. Very good. Now it's time to revise meanings of difficult words from the poem. Bellows, an apparatus for blowing air. Pop gun, a toy gun. Ebb, tide water moves away from the land. Gill, the respiratory organ of a fish. Kettle spout, a pipe of kettle through which tea or liquid can be poured. Core, the center of fruits. Marrow, a soft fatty substance in the cavities of bones. Dough, a thick mixture of flour, water, etc., ready to be baked into bread. Now to conclude, let us discuss of some your childhood questions that you were curious to know when you were small. Why do we go to school? Why elephant has big ears? Why do penguins live only in polar regions? Why sun, moon and stars are so far from us? Why do we grow? Why do we cut down trees? Very good, students. Hope you enjoyed this poem.